In our previous training session, we showed you how to sell a screwdriver to Bibb Medical over the counter. In this session, we're going to show you different ways to look up customers and also how to push a level, which is leaving your existing work or window open in Eclipse, similar to a Windows type environment, and go to a different window or a different selection and then go back to your existing work without losing it. So let's start up a sales order for F3 orders. Press O, and let's type in Bibb again. New order. Let's enter the ordered by. Now you want to go look up a customer or go to a different screen, so I can leave my sales order up. I can, in this example, press F1, and let's arrow down to customer. And now we're in the customer maintenance file, and let's type in Bibb. And you'll see two customers listed. We'll explain more in depth about selecting the customer and what you're seeing here. But for now, let's select Bibb Medical. So now what I want to draw your attention to is there's three fields, and this is I'm going to demonstrate how you can call up or bring up a customer by using these three fields. It's different ways to search for customers. The first is the Eclipse Customer ID, which you'll see in the upper left, which it says Customer New 134833. Second, you'll see under Index, which is typically here is the old account numbers, or say ESCO or IRBI. In this example, it's 90801 is an old account number that can be searched by, and then the last is the phone number, which you'll see toward the bottom. So now with those, after we've took note of that, let's go back and show you how to search using these three fields. So we escape. Now we're back in the sales order, which demonstrates pushing a level. You can continue with your sales order from here. But for this example, let's delete this order, and I'll show you the three different ways you can search. And then there will be a fourth way if you don't know the Eclipse ID, index, or phone number. So to start with, let's type in 13. Now you have to press a dot, and the Eclipse ID number must be preceded by a dot, and that tells the system that you're searching by the Eclipse ID number and not some other number. So .134833, enter, and you'll see now we get a direct hit on Bibb Medical without any search window. It goes directly to the order. So I'll press escape. Let's delete this order. Now the second method is the index, which is the old account number, 90801. You'll notice there is no dot preceding this. Enter, and again I get a direct hit, Bibb Medical. We have to type the order by, escape. Now let's delete this order. And the third way is the phone number, if you know that, 615-564-0909. Enter. Again, a direct hit. And that's the three methods that you can get a direct hit looking up a customer. Now, let's say we don't know the customer, the phone number or index or any of those. So I'm going to show you a different way to look up a customer just with the name. So now, let's type in the customer CGI. Now this brings up, as you'll see, quite a few more selections. The top one is the bill to customer. This is where the invoices go. So it's for billing only. In Eclipse, you have to have a bill to and a ship to account for every customer. So you've got a bill to at the top, and all these other accounts are ship to accounts. They're job accounts. You can tell by the name. So now you would have to go down and select whichever job you wanted to ship this material. So that concludes different ways to look up customers, and it also the pushing a level. And now go out and give this a shot.
neat, neat.